Well, hello. Let's talk about if you should use carpet inside of your worm farm. Now, if you look at the back of a carpet, it has that rubber texture, and that's there so it causes friction so the mat does not move and prevents you from falling. So worms won't eat that. So that's something to think about. And two, when you look at carpet, if you read all the labels on the tag that has synthetic materials, man-made products, you don't want all that garbage in your worm bin either. So I'd say no, don't do it. You know, you see people that might use it on other videos, but like Bobby Brown says, it's your prerogative. Do what you want to do. But I would recommend three things that you could use to place inside your worm bins to insulate it. You could use leaves, because worms could use that. Worms will eat that, eat the leaves. Two, you could use cardboard to insulate, because that's another thing that worms would eat. Or you could also use a worm blanket, which is a jute material that allows the worms to eat and consume and also keep warm in the winter. So those are three things to look into. So let me know in the comments box below, have you ever used carpet? Because I'd love to hear your results. So here's another video.